Eating fats does not inherently make you fat, rather it's the overall caloric balance and types of fats consumed that matter. Dietary fats are essential for various bodily functions including hormonal production and nutrient absorption. However, the misconception that all fats lead to weight gain persists. Types of fats. Fats can be categorized into good and bad types. Good fats such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in avocados, nuts, and fat fish can support heart health and help control weight. These fats can promote safety, reducing overall calorie intake by curbing hunger. In contrast, bad fats, particularly trans fats and excessive saturated fats from processed foods, can contribute to weight gain and health issues. Caloric intake. Weight gain occurs when there is a caloric surplus, consuming more calories than the body burns, and since fats are calorie dense with 9 calories per gram compared to 4 calories per gram for protein and carbohydrates, it's easy to exceed daily caloric needs if fat intake is not monitored. However, simply eliminating fats from the diet does not guarantee weight loss. Often people replace fats with refined carbohydrates, which can lead to increased hunger and weight gain.